blah. These things are rolling around. I can't even say my intro. Hey guys, it's Twitch and Winia, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you bang on the subscribe button. And today we got 5 surprise mini brands. We should open this. We should open this. We should open this. So I'm gonna open this one first, actually. You have to peel one open. Whoa. Oh, we got little mini lollipops. And they're called Dum Dums. And they have, in real life, they have real little lollipops inside. But this is the miniature version. Next one. Wow. Whoa. This says tanning lotion. And you can actually read the things. Except of the part on the back. It has all these tiny itsy bitsy words that it's really hard to see. Ooh, I use this to make my sandwiches. This exact brand. This is kind of a big one. Oh, and I also use stove soap. Next one. Ooh, this is the checklist. And we got a smoothie. This was the first one. Now we're doing the next one. So, you gotta peel that part open. Whoa. We got the same thing from last time. We got the same Dum Dums again. So we've got Lipton tea. My mom actually has a bigger version of this. Get it? Shout out to you, Mommy. Love you. Ooh, I think we got a little shopping cart. Yep. And then we actually have a working little shopping cart. Look, you could actually fit things in your shopping cart and put stuff on the bottom. Let's finish opening. This is the peanut butter I also use. Skippy peanut butter. Oh, I guess we're gonna open this one first. Ooh, look what we got. I never used this before. But it's chocolate syrup. It's perfect if you want some chocolate milk. We have another shopping cart, but it's in a different color. So this is our little grocery basket. And you could actually use this one for dogs. Next one. This is deodorant. Hey, look. Look, we got Warheads sour candy. Yes, it has the checklist. Ooh, look, this is shaving cream that you could use for slime. Lots of people use this for slime to make it fluffy. And this is shaving cream. Okay, there's a lot to show you. First, let me check to find what we got. Oh, we got, oops, I got too excited. we have Warheads, and we got shaving cream right there. Oh, and Dum Dums. Ooh, I want to get Smarties. Smarties is one of my favorite candies. Now go down here. Do you guys see anything? I see that we got. It's right here. And I see, oh, the Dove soap. Look. We have the basket and the cart. Well, today's been a good day to unbox all of these toys. So, if you enjoyed my video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. So, see you in the next video. Bye.